Are you looking for the best backup cameras? In this video, we will break down the top 5 backup cameras on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. AUTO-VOX CS2 Wireless Backup Camera Kit. This camera is easy installation and great picture quality. It offers the best of both worlds. As it's a wireless camera, you should have no problem attaching the camera to the back of your car, or mounting the suction cup enabled screen to your dashboard. While wired cameras are more reliable than wireless ones, the camera uses digital wireless transmission, which means that there's virtually no interference from other signals and no distortion to the image. Plus, the signal is strong, with AUTO-VOX recommending the camera for any vehicle less than 32 feet long. However, for parallel and close quarters parking, 110 degrees works well, as it cuts down on the amount of image distortion created on the screen. At number 2. eRapta ERTO1 Automotive Backup Camera. It is a top mark for its easy installation, picture quality. The picture is very clear, the field of view is easy on the eyes, and the onboard LEDs in concert with your reverse lights provide ample light for the sensor. It turns on every time in your truck in reverse. There is night vision, which is more like a bright light instead of traditional night vision, very effective. You can see things a lot better that way. There is also a car dash security sensor camera of waterproof rubber ring which is made from high rarity resin. This backing camera with adjustable lens of camera find best position, 149 degrees perfect view angle design sure see enough when parking cars. At number 3. Rear View Safety Backup Camera System. This system is complete with a crystal clear color 7 inches TFT LCD monitor with quad view mode and mirror image capability, 2 side cameras with 120 degrees viewing angle and 50-foot infrared night vision. 2 heavy-duty 130 degrees angle backup cameras with 18 built-in infrareds, and all the wires, connectors, and mounts you will need. The system is completely weatherproof with an IP68 rating, strong and reliable, shock resistant, with a 20G impact rating, and comes with a full year warranty. There are also 7 inches TFT LCD color monitor with single, double, triple, and quad viewing options. At number 4. Toguard 1080p Mirror Backup Camera. This 7-inch backup camera, rear view mirror, and dashcam combination from Toguard records forward-facing images in 1080p and has a 480p rear-facing camera. It's operated by touching the screen, similar to a tablet or smartphone. Separating this cam apart from others is the unique, modern appearance. It also features a parking monitor and G sensor, on-screen parking guides, an anti-glare screen surface, and plenty of wiring for installation. You also don't have to replace your original mirror with this unit as it clips onto your existing mirror. The mirror can only handle 32 GB memory cards, so you can only record forward-facing dashcam footage for a certain amount of time before the card has to read over. At number 5. eRapta Backup Camera 2.0. If your car doesn't have a rear view camera and you're looking for a less expensive alternative, it's hard to beat this camera. This camera easily attaches to a car's license plate and includes a 26-foot RCA cable that can connect to a screen with a compatible output. While there's no screen included with the camera, many vehicles already have mounted screen displays. There is a backup camera blind spot camera when parking, backing, reversing your trailer to get decent image quality to make your reversing more confident and safety. Waterproof camera with 18 infrared lights and advanced sensor and night version.